Chili chicken tortilla wrap recipe. Tortilla wrap 5 or as required. Ingredients: chicken minced 500 gram, cabbage or lettuce ½ cup chopped, onion 1 medium-sized chopped, capsicum 1 chopped, tomato 1 chopped, chili garlic sauce ½ cup, mayonnaise ½ cup, ketchup 1 cup, red chili sauce ½ cup, cumin seeds 1 spoon, coriander powder 1 spoon, vinegar 1 spoon, red chili powder ½ spoon, soy sauce 1 spoon, black pepper ½ tablespoon, lemon juice 2 spoon, salt 1 spoon, oil 2 spoon, cumin seed syrup, chicken minced keema. Cook for 2 minutes. Add salt namak, ginger, garlic paste leason, adrak ha paste. Cook it well. Red chili powder sorrel mirch, coriander dhania powder, black pepper kali mirch, vinegar sirka, soy sauce. Mix and cook it well. Chili garlic sauce, red chili sauce, onion peas chopped, capsicum shimla mirch, it's done. Ketchup, mayonnaise, chili garlic sauce, red chili sauce, lemon juice, black pepper kali mirch, salt namak. Mix it well. Sauce is ready. Take tortilla wrap. Spread sauce. Chicken mince. Cabbage or lettuce. Tomato chopped. Cheese slice. Fold like this. Take a pan. Grease with 1 spoon oil. Flip the other side. Our crispy chili chicken tortilla wrap ready. Try must. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.